Chika Minute na mga kapuso at ang makakasama natin ngayong midweek chikahan, walang iba kundi si Sangretera, si Bianca Umali. Bianca?
Avisala Eshma, Miss Mel, at magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat, mga kapuso. One proud hubby and daddy, si The Voice Kids coach Billy Crawford nang ikuwento sa GMA Integrated News Interviews ang kakaibang birthing journey ng misis niyang si Colleen Garcia. Unlike their firstborn, inireveal din ni Billy na hindi niya naabutan ang pagsilang ng kanilang second child. Ichichika yan ni Nelson Canlas.
Ang recent trip back home ni Billy Crawford from France ang itinuturing niyang longest plane ride of his life. Sa kwento niya sa kanyang pag-upo sa GMA Integrated News Interviews, tila na bilang niya daw ang bawat minuto ng mahigit 9 na oras pabalik sa Pilipinas. Dahil sa panahong yun din, ipinapanganak ng kanyang asawang si Colleen Garcia ang kanilang second baby.
Funny. Maraming nangyari nung linggong yon because I ended up having to go to France and I had a few obligations na kailangan kong gawin. And then yung return day, actually sinabi pa nung doktor sa amin na ilang araw pa yan. Ayun, sa 38 weeks and 4 days, bigla na lang siyang naging 3 cm and sabi niya, I'm going into active birth. Nag-boarding ako. Pagdating ko sa eroplano, text ng pinsan niya was, ate's in labor na. I was very sad actually. May screenshot pa nga ako ng nung nanganak na siya, si baby nandun and medyo blurry pa. Pero umiiyak ako sa telepono because hindi ko sila it just kept on cutting off. And yun, I had to wait 9.5 hours pa until I got here.
Ang dapat na water birthing na pinaghahandaan ni Colleen na uwi sa isang kakaibang panganganak.
And it's such a miracle baby kasi ang tawag, it was an end-call birth, which is he was born in the sack pa rin, sa tubig pa rin siya. So para siyang itlog na nalaglag kay Colleen. And yung mommy niya, so the grandma was the one yung sumalo kasi the doctor wasn't there. May nurse lang na piniprepare yung birthing niya. Kasi water birth dapat eh. So hindi na siya umabot sa tubig. As in, nanganak na lang siya within less than 2 minutes.
What was the feeling when you first held Austin?
It was a different feeling. Si Amari, nung pinanganak siya 4.5 years ago, malaki si Amari eh. Pero this boy, baby Austin, was so small nung hinawakan ko. I could hold him in one hand. And it was just so surreal na may pangalawang anak na ako, kami ni Colleen, and just to see my wife go through it again and all the sacrifices that she's been making, I think I'm in heaven already.
Nelson Canlas, updated sa Showbiz Happenings.